Hi, my name is Vanessa Del Rio, and this is the Almaha Resort and Spa, located in Dubai. The Almaha Resort is expanding and will soon be opening up a spa at 1215 Bordeaux Drive, Sunnyvale, California. As I did research on the Almaha Resort, I came to find out that Islam is very prominent in Dubai, and I became intrigued and interested in the making of Islamic pottery. I came to find out that clay undergoes many phases before it actually reaches its final stage of the pottery piece. Clay undergoes 6 phases, the first one being slip, which is the addition to water. Then we have plastic, which is when clay is being molded. After that, there's leather, which is when clay could be added pattern or texture on the surface. Then there's bone dry, and that's when it begins to harden on its own. Bisque dry is when it's completely dry by the kiln. And last but not least, there's glazing, and that is the final stage of sealing and decorating the pottery piece. Although it's overlooked, it's actually very important in order for pottery to stand the test of time. I wanted the layout plan to allow clients to start at the back of the building and make their way through the phasing in order for them to reach the end of their journey. During this post-pandemic era, we tend to feel a little bit more down, a little like dirt in its beginning stage of clay. And so Almaha provides you the 6 phases just as clay in order for you to feel renewed and beautiful and come out feeling like a beautiful piece of pottery. So teal is known to consist or to have a mystical quality to it, and I wanted to make that a focal point. I used warm tones to complement and for the teal to stand out. The same goes for the treatment rooms, except I wanted it to be a little bit more calm. And so the colors that I used to complement the teal are a little bit more calm and soft. The furniture that I wanted to use throughout the space consists of natural elements like wicker or wood. Here are my sections where you can see the staff room, sauna, you can see some locker rooms, and the lounge area as well. And these are my elevations. Here I have my reflective ceiling where you can get a little bit of the sense of where I placed some domes. I decided to feel out the space with the massing model to get a sense of the space throughout the building. I wanted to implement a little bit of the Islamic architecture, so I decided to add these beautiful arched circles. Here in the entrance, on the ceiling, you get a sense of the representation of a turned over pottery piece. I decided to represent the geometrical glazing on pottery on these feature walls of the geometric tiling and the stained glass hall. Here you see some shelving where pottery can be displayed and purchased. Here I have my glass stain hall, which is backlit stain walls, which represent the glazing after going through the 6 phases. Here I have my lounge area. These are my locker and restrooms. And this is the pool area representing the introduction of water and clay. And then I have whole placeholders.